Hi, hello and welcome back. Today we will be preparing a simple beef recipe, beef pepper chops. But before that, if in case you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button for more videos. We will be using 1 kilogram of beef chops cut from a tenderloin, and we will pressure cook this by adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt for taste. Now for pressure cooking this meat, we have two methods. One is you can pressure cook it in high flame for 10 to 12 whistles, or you can pressure cook it in high flame for 1 whistle, then you lower the flame and you cook it in low flame for 15 minutes. Now while the meat is getting cooked, we will prepare a powder for the pepper fry. So for the powder, I've taken a medium pan. We'll add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of white pepper, 4 to 5 allspice. Now, if in case you don't have allspice, do not worry. This is just gonna enhance the flavor, and you can also cook this without the allspice. Fry this till the pepper crackles, and we will allow this to cool down. Once it cools down, we will pound it into a fine powder. Now for the main dish, we will preheat a pan and we'll add 50 ml of refined oil. Once the oil is warm, we will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 medium onion finely chopped, and 1 strip of curry leaves. Now fry this till the onions get crispy. Once the onion gets crispy, we will add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Once the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone, we will add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt for taste. Now add 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped. Once the tomatoes are cooked, we will add the beef stock and we will allow it to come to a boil. Now add the pre-cooked beef chop. Mix it well, and we will close the lid and we'll cook it for 10 minutes. Now this has been cooking for 10 minutes. Now we'll open up the lid. Now we will add the powder that we prepared earlier and mix it well. Cook this till the water reduces. yummy beef pepper chop is ready to be served. Hope you loved this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you all for watching.